AI is changing the game fast, and if you're not using it to boost your productivity, you're falling behind. In this video, I'm exposing the 7 most powerful AI productivity tools that can completely transform how you work. These aren't your average apps. These AI tools are the ultimate cheat codes for getting more done in less time. All right, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because no other channel gives away this type of value for free, and you're going to need all the AI tips that you can get over the next coming months. So, let's get started. Number 7, ChatGPT's image generator. ChatGPT-4 has a new artificial intelligence image generation update that marks a major leap in text-to-image for OpenAI. It excels at interpreting complex descriptions and translating them into visually striking outputs. This means users can describe intricate concepts and stylistic details, and the AI will work to bring those visions to life. The speed of generation also makes rapid iteration and experimentation easier than ever. And these are only a few examples of how ChatGPT image generator can be seamlessly integrated across various sectors. Number 6, DeepSeek. DeepSeek is a Chinese AI-powered search and automation tool that has made massive headlines recently and has quickly become a top choice for businesses and professionals as a cheaper and more effective ChatGPT alternative. DeepSeek's AI search functionality stands out from traditional search engines. Instead of just relying on keyword-based queries, it uses advanced natural language processing to understand the context and intent behind searches. This results in more accurate, relevant results, helping users find exactly what they need in seconds without sifting through irrelevant information. One of DeepSeek's standout features is its open-source nature. Unlike closed tools from companies like Google or Microsoft, DeepSeek gives users full access to its source code. This enables customization and flexibility that other tools just can't match. Businesses and developers can tweak DeepSeek to fit their unique needs, whether by integrating it into an existing application or adjusting its algorithms for specific tasks. The open-source model also encourages continuous improvement, with the global developer community regularly contributing updates, bug fixes, and new features. In contrast, other tools often restrict customization and limit user-driven enhancements. Number 5, Crisp. Next up is Crisp, a must-have for online meetings and calls. Crisp's automatic transcription feature creates an accurate written record of your meeting, so you don't have to take notes. After the call, it generates clear, concise summaries, highlighting the key points, decisions, and action items. What also really sets Crisp apart is its noise cancellation. It blocks out unwanted sounds, whether it's typing, barking dogs, or background chatter, so your audio stays crisp and clear, keeping everyone on track.
Crisp is now activated. Crisp is now deactivated.
Crisp is an essential tool for anyone who wants to keep track of their virtual meetings without the hassle of manual note-taking, helping you stay productive and on top of things. Number 4, Perplexity. Perplexity is unbeatable when it comes to searching through information online and by far the best AI tool dedicated to search. It's like having a super smart research buddy that answers your questions in a clear, useful, and human-like way. Instead of bombarding you with a bunch of links, like Google Search or Bing, Perplexity actually reads through the websites and provides a concise and research-backed summary, saving you time. It also makes sure to include citations, so you know exactly where the information comes from, which helps you trust its reliability. What's even better is that you can ask follow-up questions, just like you would in a conversation, allowing you to dig deeper into any topic. Plus, it gives you up-to-date information pulled directly from the web, ensuring what you get is current. Whether you're doing market research, academic research, or just curious about a new topic, Perplexity is there to help you find the answers you need with a user interface that I think is by far the best out of any AI tool out there. This AI search tool is a reliable, time-saving asset that makes learning and finding information really simple. Number 3, Gemini. All right. Let's talk about why the new Gemini 2.5 is such a game-changer in the AI space and as a chatbot that goes beyond simple prompts. First off, it's incredibly smart. It doesn't just understand words. It can process images, sounds, and even computer code. For example, if you show it a picture of a cool animal, it can tell you everything you need to know about it based on information from Google. Gemini also works seamlessly with your Google apps. It makes your Google searches even smarter by understanding what you're really asking. If you need help drafting an email to a teacher or organizing a project in Google Docs, Gemini is there to help you write, edit, and get everything in order. When planning a trip or needing directions, Google Maps and Gemini work together to give you the best guidance. Even YouTube videos are easier to understand with Gemini, as it can summarize videos or help answer any questions you have about them. Gemini is like an advanced digital assistant, offering valuable support for academic, creative, and daily tasks. Its seamless integration with your Google Apps ensures that all your resources are easily accessible in one centralized location, making it a must-have for everyone who uses any app developed by Google. Number 2. Grammarly. Grammarly is near the top of the list for a reason. It's not just a spell checker. It's like having your own writing assistant. As soon as you start using it, you'll see how it catches and fixes grammar mistakes, like subject-verb errors, sentence structure issues, and punctuation problems. That means your writing is always clear and professional without you having to stress over small mistakes. What really makes Grammarly stand out is how it goes beyond just fixing errors. It suggests ways to make your writing sharper and more to the point, or even helps you adjust the tone depending on what you're writing. Whether you're putting together a business proposal or posting on social media, it's like having an editor in your corner, guiding your style. And the plagiarism checker? It's a game changer, especially if you're doing academic work or anything where originality matters. But the best part? Grammarly just makes writing easier. You can trust it to catch mistakes and give suggestions, so you spend less time proofreading and more time writing. Number 1. DupDub. There's a reason why this tool is number 1 on the list. Trust me, you'll want to save this because this AI tool is just fantastic. DupDub is an all-in-one AI-powered content creation toolkit that lets you produce pro-level content in seconds. Whether you're an entrepreneur, social media manager, marketer, or content creator, it streamlines everything from voiceovers to videos, avatars, and animations. DupDub's text-to-speech feature makes it a breeze to create high-quality voiceovers with realistic AI voices. You can turn your text into expressive, lifelike speech using over 700 voices and 1,000 styles. The process is simple with just 4 steps. First, you add your script. Type it out, paste it in, or let AI generate it for you. Next, select one or more voiceovers from their extensive library. If you want super high-quality voiceovers, make sure to select the ultra-quality option. After that, fine-tune your voiceover with their audio editing tools. Finally, you export the voiceover in your choice of format: audio, video, or subtitles, ready for use across any platform or project. Then, you can turn your text-to-speech voiceover into an AI-powered talking avatar. First, upload a photo or select one from their templates. Next, upload your audio or use DupDub's AI voiceover. Then finally, receive your personalized DupDub avatar and watch it come to life. Whether you're looking to create an avatar for educational purposes, news, sports, or just for fun, DupDub makes it all easy. Plus, its multilingual support means you can easily reach a global audience with voiceovers and captions in multiple languages. DupDub offers a quick, easy way to create polished, engaging content without needing a team of professionals. It's a must-have as an all-in-one AI content creation tool. And there you have it. These 7 AI productivity tools are game changers, and they're all you need to take your workflow, creativity, and goal setting to the next level. Make sure to subscribe for more tips, tools, and AI hacks to power up your daily productivity. Drop a comment below and tell us which AI tool you're most excited to try.